Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again, and thank you for checking out my brand new PowerPoint game. This is a request from a few of the viewers in my comment section had requested this particular PowerPoint game, so here it is. And if you guys want to help out this channel even further, don't forget to like, share, and comment. It will really help out my channel a lot. And if you're new to this channel, want more PowerPoint games like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get the latest materials when I post them up on my channel. You can grab this free PowerPoint game in the description box below this video, and make sure to install the font with this PowerPoint game as well. On the left here we have the menu section, and here is below that we have the instructions, and below that we have the scoreboard section and the QA slide, which I will be showing you guys how to do this later. So I hope you can watch this video until the end to learn how to edit your own PowerPoint game before using it. Alright, also you can create more QA for your games as well. So let's head over to slide 1 and hit the play button to see what the game looks like. Alright, defend the goal. PowerPoint game. This is a very simple PowerPoint game. You can use it with any level you want, with whatever grammar or review you want. On the right we have the start button. Below that we have the tutorial button, and below that we have the more games button. Clicking on this will take you to my YouTube channel, so you can download more awesome PowerPoint games. And if you feel like you want to help and support more projects like this, click here and you can help support these types of PowerPoint games, and it'll also help me make more games for you guys as well. So let's click the tutorial button here. Alright, we have the instructions. Again, you can use this however way you want. This is just one way of playing it. First, choose a number on the soccer ball. Answer the question. Choose from 3 options to try and score. Answer correct, score a goal. Answer incorrect, blocked goal. Add points on the team scoreboard. So this is a very simple rule, but you can use it however way you want, whatever grammar you want. Let's click the return button here and go back to the main menu. Alright, so here we're back at the main menu. We can click on the start button now. Take us to the scoreboard selection screen here. On top we have for team. We have scoreboard for team A, scoreboard for team B, team C, and team D. We click on the scoreboard here to add the points, just like so. And again, use this however way you want. One goal, 1 point. Below that we have the soccer ball with the number. It's linked to the QA slide already, so click here. Add your question up here, and below it says kick left, kick center, kick right. You can put your answer there. So let's try one here. So let's say if this is the answer down here, it's incorrect, of course. Okay, next I'll take you back to the scoreboard. Let's just try it again. Click on soccer ball number 2 here. Again, add your answer up here and your question up here, and answer below here. Again, it's incorrect, so no goal. And I think you get the idea, right? So you add your question and then you put your answer at the bottom. Of course, the right answer would score a goal for the team, and the wrong one, incorrect answer, will get your soccer ball blocked there. Alright, again, let's try it. Nope, we still haven't gotten a goal yet. Oh no. Alright, maybe we'll get lucky this time. Yes! Just hit the next button here and we'll just add a score for our team. Oops. Let's try it again. And I'll just go back and add a score here. So let's say team A got a score here, so we'll add 1 and maybe 1 here. And you get the idea, right? Add your question up here and your correct or incorrect answer below here. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Alright, another goal. Let's go. Alright, so let's add a point for our team here. Alright, so let's hit escape. And we're just going to head over to one of the QA slide here. And we want to put your question up here, whatever question you want. It's really up to you, however way you want to use this PowerPoint game template. Okay, let's put, how is the weather today? And if you scroll down just a tad bit, you can see the little arrow down here indicating that this is the wrong, and correct answer here. So the wrong one, we want to put something in here. And again, for the wrong, let's put something in here. Some absurd answer. And the correct one here, maybe it's sunny. Oops, we got it's snowy over there. So let's just make this change the answer here. So maybe I'm hungry. Alright, so let's scroll down to slide number 2. Again, you want to edit these QA slides before playing the game, of course. So what is 2 plus 2? And the answer here, here scroll down, you can see it says correct. So let's give this the correct answer. Put in the correct answer here. It's 4. Wrong answer, it's 2. And finally, we'll put it's 100. All right. And again, this is linked to, so the first 2 slides here should be linked to slide soccer ball number 1 and soccer ball number 2 here. Okay, they're linked in order. So let's hit the play button and see what that looks like. All right, so click on number 1 here. So let's choose number 1. And how is the weather today? I'm hungry. I don't know. It's sunny. Check it out. Let's go. All right, we got it. Hit here and let's add a point for our team. Let's click on number 2 for team B. What is 2 plus 2? It's 4. It's 2. Everybody knows it's 100. It's 4. Yes, let's go. Alright, hit the next button. Go back and add points to for your team. Awesome. Alright, again, you can use this however way you want. If you want to leave it as is, kick left, kick center, kick right, and just ask the students questions using flashcards or whatever, that's also fine as well. This way it'll be more random rather than guessing the correct answer if you leave it as is. Alright, again, you can grab this free PowerPoint game template in the description box below this video, and don't forget to install the font that I will be including with this PowerPoint game. Want to help out this channel? Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get the latest materials when I post them up on this channel. Again, stay awesome, guys. Thank you for checking out my video. Hope you enjoy my PowerPoint games. I want to wish you the best of luck in your classes.